Hello, how do you solve x power 2 minus x power 3 equals 36? Now, what we are going to do will be to express this 36 as summation of two numbers. And the two numbers are 27 and we have 9. Why do we choose 27 and 9? Because I can express 27 as 3 to the power of 3, and I can express 9 as 3 to the power of 2. Meanwhile, we have 2 here at the exponent, we have 3 here at the exponent. So with this, we can easily factor out this particular expression. So let's do that. That means we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals, this is 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 2, because the summation of this and this gives us 36. So let's move this right here and also move this over there. This will give us x power 2 minus x power 3 minus 3 power 3 minus 3 power 2 equals 0. So next step will be to group them. Power 2 to power 2, power 3 to power 3. So let's start with 2. That means we have x power 2 minus 3 power 2 minus x power 3 minus 3 power 3 equals 0. From here, I can have x power 2 minus 3 power 2 minus factor out 1. This is x power 3 plus 3 power 3 equals 0. So let's expand this and this. For this one here, if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals minus b times a plus b. For this one here, a cube plus b cube equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b power 2. So what we are going to do will be to apply this and this right here and here. So we have x minus 3 times x plus 3 minus x plus 3 times x squared minus x times 3 plus 3 power 2 equals 0. So right now, I'll have my x minus 3 times x plus 3 minus x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9 equals 0. So this and this are the same, so let's factor that out. We have x plus 3 times this divide x plus 3, that is x minus 3, minus this divide x plus 3. We have x squared minus 3x plus 9. Let's put it in bracket, and this equals 0. And here we have x plus 3 times x minus 3 minus x squared plus 3x minus 9 equals 0. So from here, we have x plus 3 is minus x squared plus 4x minus 12. This plus this 4x, this minus 12 equals 0. So right now, we can decide to equate each of them to 0. So we have x plus 3 equals 0. And we also have negative x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. For this one here, I can have x equals negative 3. That is my x1. Now for this one here, I can simply divide each of the terms by negative 1. This divided negative 1, I have x squared minus 4x plus 12 equals 0. So let's solve this quadratic equation here using the formula method. So we write the formula in respect to x. We have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by this is 2a. So from here we have a equals 1, which is coefficient of x squared. A equals negative 4 and c equals 12. So let's insert the right here. F plus equal to is negative times negative 4 plus or minus negative 4 power 2 is times 12 divided 2 times 1, 2 times a. So from here, this is 4 plus or minus square root of, this is 16 minus, this is 48, this is 2. So from here, we have x equals, this is 4 plus or minus, this is square root of, this is negative 30, is negative 32 divided by, this is 2. So from here we have x equals 4 plus or minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 16 times 2, that is 32 divided by 2. This is iota I. So from here we have x equals 4 plus or minus I times square root of 16 times square root of 2 divided by 2. Square root of 16 is 4, so we have x equals 4 plus or minus I times 4 times root 2 divided by 2. This one, 2, and 2. So our solution is 2 plus or minus I times 2 root 2. And these are two complex values, positive and negative. So this is x2 and 3. So we have two complex values for x. We also have one real value for x here, which is negative 3. You can verify using the real value. You can verify using the real value of x equals negative 3. That means we have negative 3 power 2 minus negative 3 power 3 equals 36. This is 9 minus times this is negative 27, because negative 2 and odd number is negative. 3 power 3 is 27, so that's negative 27 equals 36. This is 9 plus 27 equals 36. And this will give you 36 equals 36. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.